I hope all is well. I decided to do my own toenails. You know, I'm always going to the nail place to get my toenails done, so I decided to do it myself. What I have is I think it's called an emery board. I also have some toenail clippers. I already done all that yesterday, and I already, made them all nice and pretty. So you just go ahead, if you like square, you just go ahead and square it off. If you like round, you go ahead and round it off. So I already done all that. What I'm gonna do though is I'm actually about to use some polish, some nail polish remover, just to go in one more time, just to make sure all the polish is off, because I use my nail people used gel polish. So I just want to always go in and just make sure it is off. Another thing that I like to use too, guys, is this. I'm not sure what this is called, but it has like a little, it's made like this. Can you see that? And it got like a little scooper on it. So I like to sometimes like take it and just kind of fix my cuticles. So that's good for that also. Or if you need to get like something out of your toes or whatever, do that too. Also need some cotton balls. This is the colors I decided on. I don't know what I was thinking, because I had this for probably about 2 weeks now. These colors is cool, but I'm in another mood. You know how it is when you do your nails. I'm in another mood, but I'm gonna go ahead and use these anyway. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make my little middle toe, because even when I go to the nail place, I always make it different. I'm gonna make it different. I also have maybe some clear coat. I always tell my mom that these polishes never last on my toes, never. That's why I always go in and get gel polish from the nail salon. But the only thing, guys, about getting gel polish is it make my toenails really, really soft afterwards. I don't know why, but it makes them really brittle and make them break off easy. I thought maybe it was from the acetone, the nail polish remover, but it's not, because last time I didn't even use any nail polish remover, and my little toenail, the other one, wind up kind of snapping off. But anyway, let's go ahead and what I want to do, guys, I'm going to go ahead and put a top coat first, because I seen one time I got my toes done and the gentleman put on a top coat first. So go ahead and put your top coat. And if you got those little feet things to separate your feet off, go ahead and put those. I'm actually going to put some paper towels, because I thought I had some. But when I started, I seen that I didn't, because I have not done this process in a while. So all you got to do is take some paper towels, roll it up a little bit, and just go ahead and put it in between your toes. Open up your toes and put it in between your toes. And again, do that first. So let me go ahead and do the other one. And guys, I'm only doing this toe on camera. I'm going to do the other toe off camera, because like I told you guys, my other toenail is kind of messed up, but I'm going to fix it to make it work. So guys, what you do first, like I said, put your clear coat down. And what I am going to do is sit that over there. I am going to go in with my clear first, because I really like this. I hope it turns. I'm going to use this one first. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on this toe. Like I told you guys, I want my middle toe to be a little bit different. Just lightly tap it on there. Okay. And now, guys, what I am about to use, I want to see what this look like, because I don't know what this look like. Let's see. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? No. Put these on the ground so they won't tip over. I'm actually about to put this red on. And you just put it on like you are coloring in a coloring book. Just put it on. Try to do it as thin as possible. Take your time. I used to always do this, y'all. When I was young, I used to always polish my toenails. And what I like to do is go in. If you already made a mistake, go in and fix it. See? See that? Go in and fix it. And I am going to put it on lightly. And like I told you, my middle is going to be a little bit different, a little tough. If you don't got no money, y'all, go in and do your own toes. Ain't nothing wrong with doing your toes. But I'm going to see, y'all, it's not even about the money. I just decided to do my own toes. Like, I went to the nail place, and you can always go to your local beauty supply store. They always have really nice looking polish. See, that's cute already. Look how cute that is already. So, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get the other one polished. And I'll come right back, okay? And, guys, as you are polishing your other toenail, make sure you don't mess up your other toenail, okay? Put your clear coat on first. and then kind of let it dry for just a little bit, and then go in with the polish. I heard doing this, not I heard, I seen a gentleman do that to my toes, and I feel like they lasted a lot longer. And you can get any top coat again from your local beauty supply store, or go to Sally's or Walmart or anything like that. And another tip, make sure you put a newspaper down with a plastic bag, and then when you have your polish, put it on a level surface with some paper towels up under it, because you are trying to be as carefree as possible when you're not using your nail polish remover. Make sure you get you some nail polish remover, put it inside the lid on. And another thing, if I didn't tell you, get you some cotton swabs, and I also like to have some little Q-tips. So have you some Q-tips too, because like what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in and put a little bit of nail polish remover in the cap, and I'm gonna go around the areas that you messed up, just go around and fix them, okay? Always have your little Q-tip with a little bit of polish on it, either for your fingers, just in case you make a mess or anything. So always have your Q-tip, okay? Okay, just quick tip. Okay guys, so what I did is I'm done with both. I'm gonna let them dry for just a bit, and then I'm gonna go in and put another coat. What I'm also gonna do is, if you made a mistake, go in and fix it right now. Don't wait till it sit. Either use some nail polish and kind of go around it, or use your Q-tip. And again, like I said, don't mind my feet right here. I actually don't even mind it, y'all. I hit my foot and got a sore, so don't even mind my foot. Just this one. Look how cute that looks. Super duper cute. Okay, I'm gonna let it dry for a bit and I'll come back. Okay, so let's go in and put another coat. And do it lightly. Don't be doing the coats too harsh. Remember I told you, if you make a mess, just stick your finger on it. Very nice and slow. Like I said, if you make a mess, just go in and use your finger. Put a little bit of polish remover on it, and just use your finger, or you can use your Q-tip, whatever works for you. And then you're just gonna let this dry. The good thing, I'm not gonna lie to you guys and tell you, the good thing about the gel polish though is that it dries quick. That's the good thing about that. You don't gotta worry about it chipping or anything. So we'll see how this go, guys, because you know, like I told you, when I feel like I don't use gel polish, it chips quick. But we'll see. And what I'm just gonna let this dry, and then once it dry, yeah, I'm gonna put this top coat on. Okay, then once you put the top coat, you should be all good. Let it dry, go outside, do whatever, let it dry, and that's how you polish your toenails. And look how cute they look. And I save money. So try it yourself, guys. Be blessed. Bye. So cute. That's so cute. I love them, y'all.